Hey, Ma. Hey, I'm gonna grill out. I got the fire going, so I wanted some potatoes. I know it's early. They're probably gonna be little potatoes, but I want to put some on the grill. So it's right around the time to harvest. They'll probably be small, but I thought I'd show you a little video of harvesting potatoes. It's my favorite harvest of the year, actually, but I still got more. So here we go. I'm gonna just flip it over and pull the plants out. Oh, or maybe just put the whole thing out here. Oh my gosh, look at that already. We're gonna need a container to put this in. Here, I'll put them right in here. 1, 2, little tiny ones. But they're not that small, actually. But here's another one. They're all over the place. They're decent size. I don't know what kind these are either. Here's another one. This looks like the seed. Yeah, that was the seed potato. That's another seed potato. Look, they're everywhere. We're gonna have to do this a few times.
That's a nice one.
This was, I think I had put 6 seed potatoes in this container.
There's a bunch.
Wow,
right
look
there.
at this. Here, we'll put the seed potatoes on the side so we can see how many. We got all these potatoes up to 6 seed potatoes. This is so much fun. It's exciting. They're gonna be so delicious. Look at that. I'm waiting to find a monster. Maybe I won't, because it is early. It just fall out. This is good dirt though, that's why.
Yeah.
Even little baby ones like this we could put in a stew.
That's the potato harvest out of just half of one container, pretty much. Still going through the other half.
That looks pretty big. And I know I'm not getting them all. I'm gonna have to go through the dirt over and over again. Oh, there's some more in there. It's just falling right off. I should have did that to begin with. That's a seed potato. So four seed potatoes so far. Let's pick these little ones and throw them in a stew or something. That one was hiding in there. I thought I saw one fall. There's a lot in here. If you want. Okay, that's another seed potato. Well, there it was. Oh, I was about to give up. These are tiny. like this. Oh, 5. There was only 5 seed potatoes, huh? So, well, it's kind of light harvest, but I'm happy with them. They're decent size. And I'm going to put them on the grill right now. Out of 5 seed potatoes, I got this in about 11 weeks. 11 weeks. These are going to be delicious. I'll let you know how they taste. All right, Ma. Bye. Love you.